Alright guys, today we're doing a little lesson series in between the hard requests, just a really short thing. George Harrison, My Sweet Lord. It's a nice little level 2 piano arrangement here that's won't be too hard for you to play. Alright, and then we get to the part so forth. It fits really nicely on piano. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to do the part 1 here, and the rest of the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I have thousands and thousands and thousands of lessons on there that I've done over the past 11 years and counting. And we play by ear using letters on the whiteboard. We don't worry about reading traditional music notes because we just want to play our favorite songs. And a lot of people dig that, and so let's get started. Here we're gonna be in the key of E, all right, and the left hand will play an E up to a B on the left hand right below middle C, so E, B, 2 more B's. The right hand will start with E and G sharp. I'll use I don't know, 1 and 3 or 2 and 4, and F sharp, E, and then C sharp and F sharp together. So it's left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. So one hand or both hands are playing every 8th note. Okay? And if you need time to get that down, just pause your video and work on that. If you need even more help, my website has 50 lessons that start from ground zero if you don't know anything about music or piano and you need to, just learn the basics of music or my method. Those will help you. All right, so that's the first measure. The second measure, as you're holding the C, F sharp, then we'll go E, C sharp, E, C sharp. Again, the left hand has C sharp to G sharp. Just got to fit everything in. Left, then left and right hand are together there. Right, right, left, right, right, right. So put those 2 measures together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, and the next measure is going to be exactly like the first one. Isn't that great when it's the same? And then the next measure, we'll scroll over a little bit so we can go a little further. Okay, and then this measure is almost like that one, except at the very end you go down to B. And then there's a C sharp on the left hand there instead of a G sharp. C sharp, up, up, up. So from the very beginning, we have that up. That's that next part. Okay, so there's your part 1, and we will finish it on the website webpianoteacher.com later.